This is also very interesting because you can just send broken HTML on the site, and the browser is interpreting it as a valid one. Just keep this also in mind. Yeah. Another one is parsing of files. So if we are preparing a file like this here, there's a shell, I'm putting some magic bytes on that. This is a valid PNG magic bytes there, and afterwards I'm putting HTML. We should not expect that the browser is executing it. But unfortunately, this happens. So why it happens is very, very interesting, because it's depending on the operating system side. This happened also on Firefox, by the case. But this is a very EA and Windows specific. There's a function which is called find MIME from data, which reads the first 256 bytes, and then they trying to guess the MIME type. And there's 26 hard-coded tests inside, and if they found, for an example, the HTML tag there, they treated it like a valid HTML file. So that means they give you as a result the text HTML MIME as a result back. And this is very bad in this case, because you are able to force somebody just only to click for a file which contains only a media file, and usually everybody thinks that a media file does not contain, what's this? Hello? It does not contain any malicious input on that. So for conclusion, I don't know what's happening. Sorry about that. As conclusion, yeah, security is like history, so keep this in mind. So all vulnerabilities are striking back just with new fashion clothes. Also, the IPS IDS evasion techniques was one discussed in 2002, 2003. Also applied to the browser world as well. There are two very good papers on that. One was released on DEF CON, another one on Black Hat 2006. Just have an eye on that. So sorry, I don't know what's happening here. And furthermore, just for cross-site scripting filter writers, what you should always do in the first case is you should canonicalize the user input with tidy or with DOM, and afterwards you should proceed with the data further. And just keep in mind that browsers and extensions are completely black box. You don't know what they're doing with user data. Just think about the parsing bugs that I mentioned before. And also, if you're using blacklists, just keep them updated. Just maybe look regularly at the Slackers forum as well. So, and last thing, yeah, even if your cross-site scripting filter passes the cheat sheet from Elsnack, this really does not mean that you say from XSS, the guys from the Horde team and other applications as well thought about this too, and this is unfortunately not true. So, any questions now?
Your slides will be available on Reddit?
Yeah, they will be available there. Definitely. So just to mention, I put on the speaker notes also a lot of links there, just in case you want to dig further into this one or other issues, just to keep an eye on that.